In this video, we are going to see how we can easily create price list in Canva with just a few steps. And the good thing about Canva is there are millions of templates that you can use to create one for you very quickly. Here's how you can easily do it. First of all, I'm using the free version of Canva, so you can easily do it in the free version. What you need to do is just head over to the templates section from the home tab. And if you browse them, you will get this option, search millions of templates. Whatever you want to recreate or edit, you just simply write that and it will find a template for you. So we'll write here price list, hit enter. And as you can see, we have a lot of price list here. Some of them are very fancy, some of them are basic. So whatever your services are, you can choose one that is right for you. So for example, if you're a beauty salon, you can use this one. You hit customize, and once it is open, you can edit anything here. For example, instead of price list, we will write our prices. So we just have to double click and we'll write here our prices, and you can place it wherever you want. You can change the position of it. You can name your beauty salon name, for example, YM beauty salon, whatever. You can resize it to fit it in one box, and then you can adjust the placing of it. Similarly, you can change the heading. You can change the details in the menu, like full haircut, and let's say the price is $25. And similarly, we can do the same for all of the services. Also, we can change the background of it. So let's say if you want to replace the background, we just select the background, delete it, and you can replace it whatever you want. For example, we want to search for gradient. I'll just find some photos. Let's say I like this one. I'll just select here and right click on replace background, and it will immediately change for you. Similarly, for all of these motifs, we can change the color of it. Let's say to white. We'll change it to white. Change this one as well. And we can replace some of these pictures. It's also very easy to replace. Let's say that you want your custom pictures to be put here. We just delete it, and this is basically a frame. So whatever you have uploaded, you can easily place it like there. For example, I want this picture to be placed right here. So you have to hold it and drag it to the picture, and it will automatically fit it for you. And after that, if you want to zoom it, just double click on it and you can resize it within the frame. You can place it like this so that it will be an enlarged image. And like I said, not only this one, we have a lot of templates. So if we go like one step back, there are a lots of templates that you can use. If you're a restaurant, you can use this. You have all of these fancy templates that you can use absolutely for free. And once we are done with the template and edited it fully with our requirements, click on share, and you can easily download it as a PDF or a JPEG, whatever you want. So let's say we want to download it as a PDF. So click on PDF, and that's it. We simply download it. It will download it for you. You go to the location and we rename it My Salon Services. Hit enter, and here's a PDF version for your price list. Similarly, if we want to download it with the default name, what we can do is first of all edit it from here. Let's say I'll name it as our prices. So whatever we name here, it will download it in the same name. So for example, we download it now. It should download it with our prices. name. You can see it here. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.